Ever wondered what it's like to have unlimited control over your WhatsApp? Ever wished you could customize it to reflect your unique style? Or perhaps you've wished for more privacy or the ability to share unlimited media? Well, it's time to introduce you to GB WhatsApp, the app that's making all these wishes come true. GB WhatsApp is a modified version of the original WhatsApp, packed with features that will make your messaging experience unique and personalized. It's like having a tailor-made WhatsApp just for you. So, what makes GB WhatsApp stand out from the crowd? First, it offers customization like you've never seen before. You can change your interface's themes, fonts, and even the chat background to make it truly yours. Second, GB WhatsApp understands the importance of privacy and gives you enhanced settings to control it. You can hide your online status, blue ticks, and even the typing indicator. It's privacy on your terms. Third, GB WhatsApp says goodbye to file size limits. It allows you to share high-quality images, videos, and even documents without restrictions. It's a dream come true for content creators and media sharing enthusiasts. Now, you must be wondering how to get your hands on this amazing app. Just head over to the link in the description, download the APK file, and follow a few simple steps. Before you know it, you'll have GB WhatsApp up and running on your device. But is GB WhatsApp safe? Absolutely. It's a secure and reliable alternative to the original WhatsApp. And no, you won't get banned. The developers have taken measures to ensure a safe user experience. So there you have it, the incredible world of GB WhatsApp. It's time to enhance your WhatsApp experience with customization, privacy features, and unlimited media sharing. The link to download GB WhatsApp is in the description below. Until next time, keep exploring new tech horizons.